Welcome back, YouTube, to another G Auto Repair video. Today we have a 2008 Toyota Sienna, and this is going to be a very brief FYI type video. And basically the complaint on this particular vehicle, and the reason why I'm doing it this way is because the complaint was very sporadic. It was very difficult to duplicate. I'll get into that in just a few minutes. I just want to let you know what the issue was for this particular issue. And the problem was that the slip and the VSC and the TRAC light would come on randomly. I would say randomly, but not really. There was a specific way that it would give the issue, and the car pretty much would go like into slip mode, or it would detect like there was a problem with one of the wheel sensors, and it would slow down the car. You would be going fine, and then going up a ramp, it would start to decrease in power, and you couldn't go any further than 30 miles an hour. And then going down a particular ramp, the little vehicle slip light right here would start flashing and beeping. And it would only do it under certain circumstances. That's what made it so difficult to duplicate. But once the customer kind of understood when it would do it, we can duplicate it every time. And it was going up a hill on a curve, like getting on an on-ramp to the turnpike here in South Florida. You would get on the ramp going up, and then make that right hand curve, and you could feel like the car would just slow down. No light, no nothing, slow down. And then once you got up on a straightaway, it'll pick back up and it'll drive normal. Then she would go down a few exits, get down off of the exit on the lower ramp going down, and then the vehicle slip light would just start flashing and beeping. And it was crazy. I would hook up my scanner to it, no codes, no nothing. So I was pretty sure that the stabilizer was getting activated and the anti-slip was getting activated. So, but inspecting everything seemed fine. No issues, no codes, no nothing. I even tried to recalibrate the yaw sensor with my scanner, which it did calibrate. But normally when that would happen, it would actually leave the light on and you would see a code for that. I just calibrated just in case. But this one was a bit of a doozy. So after several hours of going on and off the ramp, duplicating, checking this, checking that, checking the wheel speed sensors, this, visually checking the sensors, wiring, everything seemed fine, until I even looked for plate in the tie rods and I didn't find any. But when I got to a closer inspection of the rack and pinion, I found the problem right here. These bushings have play in them. They're bad, they're broken. See, I can actually move them with my hand. So the entire rack, see that there? The entire rack was being shifted as you would go on these curves and turns. Also, when she would swerve onto another lane for any reason, it would also cause the slip light to flash. So this is the only thing I found. These bushings were loose, they were broken. You can actually try to pull them out with your hand. They're just barely on there. So I went ahead and replaced the rack and pinion. Okay, so because of the complexity to duplicate the complaint, I'm not gonna get into the whole driving down the road, getting on the turnpike, because I already did that enough with her, and every time we went on there, they would charge her the tolls and stuff. I know this is gonna fix the issue. I've seen it before on different circumstances. But that one, if you're not paying attention, you can easily miss this, like it happened to me the first time. I totally missed this play because I wasn't expecting this play. I was checking the inner and outer tie rod for play, but the play was here. The entire rack was shifting side to side. So just a little FYI for the YouTube community, whoever's having an issue with these Toyota, and I'm sure any vehicle would have the same issue. Pay attention to the rack bushings, the mounting bushing. Pay attention to them because they will throw you for a loop. So that will be all for now. I will write down in the description anything. I'm gonna try to maybe try to confirm. I know this is a confirmed repair, but like I said, you got to get on the turnpike, and it's in one specific curve and ramp. That's what is crazy about this. That's when it would do it every time. So I'll update if anything changes, but this is gonna be a wrap here. Well, YouTube, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and we'll catch you on the next one if this coronavirus will let us work, because that's what's happening now. Everybody's locked indoors. This is how we do it here at G Auto. We just work throughout the pandemic. The world can come to an end, but people's cars got to get fixed. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.